Hey guys, I've got with me today one of the classic and best known varieties of the Buffalo Nickel series. This is a 1918 over 7D. This is one of the most famous overdates in 20th century American coins. And one of the reasons it's so famous is it's just so obvious when you look at the coin that it is an overdate. If you look at the 8 in the date, you can very clearly see a 7 underneath. And that happened when mint workers tried to repurpose a 1917 die to be used for 1918 and obviously left a lot of the 7 behind when they tried to do that. These are also a pretty valuable coin within the Buffalo Nickel series. In this sort of condition, they tend to be a few $1,000s. This one happens to have a pretty sizable rim nick at about 430 on the obverse, and it's unclear, to me at least, whether or not PCGS or NGC would straight grade it as a result of that, but still a really nice example of the variety. Here's an image of the reverse side of the coin. Nothing special on the reverse, just an ordinary looking Buffalo Nickel reverse. This coin is maybe a high VF or low XF example and has a lot of what you'd expect to see at that grade. Nice full horn to the buffalo, no cleaning or big scratches or anything like that in the field. It's just a nice looking piece.